how to clear the YouTube history. Basically, what we are going to do is go to the bottom right when we are inside our app to where our profile picture is. Now, I am doing this from an iPhone, but if you have an Android, it's the same. The only difference is that the picture will appear at the top right. You will always need to go to your profile picture of your channel or YouTube account. You will go there, and then all your history will appear. Everything you have watched, the movies you have. And if you look at the top, you will notice that there is an option to switch accounts, Google account, enable incognito mode, and several other things. But on this occasion, we are going to go to where it says Google account. Once you log into your Google account, your profile will load. And here you need to make sure that the account that opens at the top right is the one you are logged into. If you have multiple Google accounts or multiple Gmail accounts logged in, it may change the account when you click here, and you might be deleting data from another account, so it's important to verify that. Once we are here, we will go to where it says Data and Privacy at the top, and when we are in Data and Privacy, all this information will appear. And all we do is swipe down, and we will find something here that says History Settings. And here, if you have the YouTube history enabled, it will surely appear here. You will see the YouTube history, yes. You will tap on it, and it will take you to the following options. Here, you just need to swipe, and it will appear for you to configure the history. What you want to be saved, whether searches as well, and several other things. And we can set up deletion. Automatic deletion of the YouTube history every so often is not needed in our case. Instead, we want to delete the history directly. Therefore, we will go to the option that says Manage History. We will tap there on Manage History, and it will load another page. Once we are inside this option, the entire search and viewing history of YouTube will appear. Here, we can simply scroll down and delete each item one by one. If I can delete this last video from my history, if I click here, done, deleted. And it will also show me all the search history. And over here, it will tell me what has been deleted. So, well, we are not going to use this. And if I don't want to delete them one by one, but rather I want to delete everything directly. So I click on where it says delete in the upper right corner. And here we will be able to click on delete data today. That is, everything we have searched for and viewed today will be deleted. Then, a defined period. So we can choose, for example, that from January to March, everything during those months is deleted. And if we want, we can directly delete all activity. With this last option that appears here, once you confirm deletion, it will load a screen that tells you that you have deleted everything. If you don't want to repeat this every time, you can set up automatic deletion or directly disable the saving of history. You can click here to disable the history saving option. Just click that button that says undo or disable, and that's it. This will completely deactivate your YouTube history. But there is one very important thing to remember. YouTube is based on its algorithm. I really should have said this at the beginning of the video, but I hope you haven't deleted the history yet. And if you didn't know, if you delete both the search history and the videos you've watched, obviously the content preferences that appear on your homepage will also be erased. All those videos that appear in your recommendations, since YouTube will no longer have your history, you won't see what interests you and what you like. Therefore, at the start of your YouTube app, you will see completely random videos until, again, if you have left the history enabled, you watch content again and YouTube takes that data and knows, well, if you watch a lot of car videos, then those will start to appear. From now on, only car videos and so on. Perhaps you can use this in case the videos that were appearing were very boring, not aligned with your tastes. Or maybe someone took your phone and started watching videos, which messed up your recommendations. So you can delete this to start seeing content again. And when you do watch content, YouTube will begin recommending the content that you like once more.